Welcome to this video on the architecture of ownership. We are exploring the systematic guide to Spanish possessive adjectives, focusing on the relationship between the possessor and the possessed entity. The golden rule of agreement states that Spanish possessives align with the object being owned, not the person who owns it. The adjective matches the possessed entity in gender and number. Match the entity and ignore the owner. There are two paths of possession in Spanish: short-form adjectives, which are the everyday standard placed before the noun, and long-form adjectives, which are the emphatic choice placed after the noun. For short-form adjectives, the placement is always before the noun. Also, remember the article rule. Never use definite or indefinite articles with short-form adjectives. This matrix illustrates short-form agreement. Some require two-way agreement based only on number, while nuestro and vuestro require four-way agreement based on both gender and number. The su ambiguity splitter shows that su can translate in 5 different ways, often making context insufficient. We need a structural fix for this. The prepositional fix resolves third-person ambiguity. Instead of using the possessive adjective, use a prepositional phrase with personal pronouns or names to be precise. There is a definite article exception. Do not use possessive adjectives when referring to body parts or abstract concepts. Instead, use the definite article. Long-form adjectives are the emphatic choice, used to emphasize or contrast owners. Unlike short forms, these often use definite articles before the noun. This is the long-form matrix, showing the variations for masculine and feminine, singular and plural forms. It is essential for providing contrast. This table summarizes the blueprint of possession, comparing usage frequency, placement, gender agreement, and article compatibility between short-form and long-form adjectives. Use this expression decision tree to navigate which form to use. Match the object, control your emphasis, and always strive to speak with precision.